Hello class, I hope everybody is doing well this week. Welcome to week 6 in ACA. I wanted to make a quick video to go over a few things that you might have questions about for your assignment this week. Career clusters activity, and I found that under, sorry I was in the wrong course there for a second. I found that under weekly assignments, get set section, and week 6. Watch the videos, read the articles. We're talking about career exploration this week. I think you'll find this Career Clusters website quite helpful. You learn a lot more about different degrees that you can get and careers that fall under those degrees that you might not have been aware of before. Once you click on your content area, it will go over salary, job duties. Then when you get to the Career Clusters activity, you have to write an assignment identifying your career cluster of interest and briefly discuss why you're interested in that cluster. You should also list something that you have learned about the cluster throughout the documents, maybe some jobs or careers that you had not considered before, but that might be within the cluster. Lastly, you need to find a YouTube video, Vimeo, or other website video service that discusses your career field of interest. Then you have to write the name of the video and the link, the URL, so that it opens. You can't just paste the URL, you have to link it so that when people click on it, it's an active hyperlink. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you click on Career Clusters Activity, then you click on Write Submission, this is where you write your assignment. So you would say, my career cluster of choice, etc., and you write everything that you need to answer the questions for your assignment. Then at the bottom, you are going to put a hyperlink to your video. My video is college professors versus high school teacher. It goes over the difference between the two. So I'm going to highlight the title of that video that I'm sharing, and then I want to create a link to it. This little chain link over here, if you hover over it, it says insert or edit link. If you click on that, then you are going to paste the link to get to your video, okay? And in this title box, you write the title again. So, college professor versus a high school teacher, okay? So I just copy and pasted the link from YouTube. That's where I got my video. Click insert. And then if you notice, now the title is blue and it has an underline on it. That means that it's an active hyperlink. If I hover over it, that ensures that it's going to take you to another page. When you're done with your assignment, you click submit. So when you click submit, you'll actually get a green box at the top that's saying your assignment has been submitted, but because I am in the instructor view, I won't get the same message as you. And that's how you submit your assignment for this week. There is another article for you to read after that assignment if we go back into week 6, just so that you don't think that was the last thing, to read about career path. And then there's a couple of websites that I'd like you to go through and do some research on it to familiarize yourself on your career area. And if you have any questions, please send me an email. Make sure to include your course name and section number in the subject line of the email. Have a great week.